Welcome back to another video. So let's take a look at how we can delete all the materials of an object. So I will initially import over here the following car. I will delete the default cube so we can better visualize the car. And let's take a look at the problem over here. We're going to see that the color will now be mostly black. If I will jump over here, it will look like this. And if I will select, for example, the main chassis, we're going to see this will be material 6 over here. If I will select the tire, this will be 15, the rims 10. Now, if I will select everything over here and within the material section, I will hit over here, remove material slot. This will only work for the last selected one. For example, I'm going to select the one over here, material 6, for the front, for the back. If I will select everything and I will delete, only that will be deleted. In this case, material 6 was shared with the color over here on the mirror. But let's take a look at how we can use a simple script within Python in order to do this. So I will jump over here within ChatGPT. So we see over here, write a script in Python for Blender to delete all the materials. This will be that code, and I can jump within the script. I can paste that. So I press new. I will hit Ctrl V over here. And now I just need to do the selection. And if I will run this script, we're going to see how all of those materials have been removed. So this is a nice tip, especially if you are working with models that are imported from other solutions. This will give you a blank model, and now you can just start working on this. So as you can see, this will be only applied for this model over here. So if you also want to further divide this, you can press Tab, A, P, and separate them by loose parts. And afterwards, we're going to have, for example, the door separately over here. And if I'm going to change the color now, those colors are still linked. But if I want to create a new color for this one, I can just delete it over here, define a new one, and I can make this a different color over here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.